Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2012 Ford F-150. Stock number is 18F807A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks, chrome bumper and grille. You have chrome wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires, running boards on the side, inside cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch, rear backup sensors on the back. Taking a look at the bed, you have a soft cover on top that keeps the bed nice and safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls, four-wheel drive, full stereo, that includes a CD player, climate control, and down here you have a USB port and an auxiliary input. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this F-150 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.